Well, hello all. I'm Dave, KU6GE, the Hillbilly Ham. We're out here at Table Rock State Park today. Gonna do a POTA. New Year's Day, January 1st, 2026. And as you see, I'm out here in short sleeve shirts today. Beautiful day out here at the lake. Gonna have some fun with this today. I did go off and forget, because I'm gonna run the antenna today. I left the house and left my surveyor tripod at the house. So, doing a little adapt and overcome. Still going to use the antenna. Might not be the most excellent setup, but I hear a lot on the band. So we're going to see how this works. Like I said, today we're out here at Table Rock State Park. I can't remember the number right now, but we're over there's the marina. This is the picnic area for Table Rock State Park. And yeah, beautiful day in January at Table Rock State Park. Also, part of the reason why I came down here today, I wanted to check out the pavilion down here. Part of the reason I came down here today is I want to check out the pavilion, because hopefully in the spring or fall or summer, I'm going to actually rent the pavilion and do a POTA event down here. Get a few of the guys that do a lot of POTA around this area, buddies of mine, come down. Then we're going to try to see if we can get a bunch of new hams that want to learn about POTA, maybe been afraid to get on HF. Come on down, and we'll help them out. So watch for that. Office was closed today, of course, being New Year's, so I couldn't ask any questions on what it's going to cost me to rent it. But that's one of my plans for this year on how to give back to new hams. Doing it at a POTA, get out, have fun, have a barbecue, set up a couple radios, have these guys come out and just check out HF radio. Maybe we'll get some people hooked. Might even put it out to where if you're interested in ham radio and don't have your ticket, come on down. We'll let you operate third party. But I don't know if you can see the pavilion up there. It's a pretty good sized pavilion. We're going to rent that and see if we can and do a POTA activation up there. Buy some new hams down and have a good day. But now, guys, as you know, I said I forgot my Hextenna surveyor's tripod. So we had to do a little ingenuity. Told my wife I forgot it. She goes, "You're doing something today. We didn't come all the way down here for nothing." So I took the mirror mount that he sends with the antenna. It comes with your antenna. And I mounted it, as you see, on the grill. I know I'm going to hear a lot of people telling me how, oh, that's going to mess with your antenna. We'll see. I'm hearing quite a bit of propagation. Forgot my SWR meter. So I took my 6200, which is always with me, and I used its meter. And according to it, in the area in 20 meters that I'm going to operate, I'm flat. So it should, my FT710, which I brought 100 watts out today. Bands were pretty bad yesterday, so I want to make sure I got 100 watts today. So my FT710's tuner should tune it no problem. Probably don't even have to run the tuner according to the 6200's meter. But guys, let's see what we can do. See what we can do to get this activated. And have a little bit of fun down here at Table Rock State Park. My favorite antenna for POTA. See how many contacts we can make today. I have a feeling it's going to work a lot better than some of those guys that are going to tell me it's never going to work, it's compromised. I'm going to think. And I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, we'll still show it. Alright, guys. This is the setup we're running today. Can't see very well because of the sun. But I'm going to be running the FT710. Got the laptop for worldradioleague. So let's see how we can do. Let's see how we can get this activated today. CQ POTA, Kilo Echo 6, Golf Alpha Echo calling CQ POTA from US 1787.
Kilo 5, November, Bravo, November. No bad news.
Kilo 5, no bad news. QSL?
Roger, Roger. I got you 5959, Central New Mexico.
Hey, QSL on the 59 in Central New Mexico. I've got you 59 here into the park of US 1787.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. What's your QTH?
We're in Missouri, down here at Table Rock State Park today.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. I don't see you on the list here on Parks on the Air, so I'll look around, see if I can find you.
Hey, QSL. I thought the auto spot went up, but it might not have worked. Internet connection might not be that great down here.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. What's your complete call sign?
Kilo Echo 6, a great American Eagle.
Roger, Roger. For Kilo Echo 6, Alpha Golf Echo. I'll go ahead and watch you and put you into moto, Roger.
Actually, it's Golf Alpha Echo. QSL?
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Sorry, my bad. Golf Alpha Echo.
QSL, and I appreciate you putting me up there for the spot.
Roger, Roger. Hold on. Happy New Year.
Hey, 73, Happy New Year, and hold on. QRZ.
Kilo Delta 9, Victor Alpha November.
Kilo Delta 9, Victor Alpha November.
QSL, park to park, my friend. You are 59 into my park, US 10091. QSL.
That was US 1091, QSL?
10091. QSL.
QSL on the 10091. Powerton Lake there, QSL.
QSL, my friend. What is your call sign and what park?
Call sign is Kilo Echo 6, Golf Alpha Echo, Kilo Echo 6, Great American Eagle, and I have you coming 59 into US 1787. QSL?
QSL 1787. All right, my friend, you have a great activation. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, 73, and hold on. Thanks for being out there activating.
You too, my friend. November 0, Lima Alpha Foxtrot, park to park.
November 0, Lima Alpha Foxtrot. I got you 59 into US 1787. QSL, Lake Norman, correct? All right, well, thanks for being out there. Thanks for activating. Happy New Year. Hold on. 73. George said.
Kilo 3, Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee India X-ray.
Kilo Alpha 5.
Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee India X-ray.
Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee Indian X-ray. I've got you 59 into Park US 1787.
Thank you very much. You're also 59 in Texas.
QSL on the 59 in Texas. Thanks for being out there hunting, my friend, 73, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, 7-3. Kilo Foxtrot 0, Sierra Whiskey, Quebec.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Sierra Whiskey, Quebec, QSL.
QSL, Dave, I got you at about a 5'7" in Hannibal, Mike Oscar.
Hey, QSL on the fellow Missourian. I've got you about a 5'8" as well here into US 1787.
QSL, hey, thanks for being out there. Happy New Year and vote on, my friend.
Hey, 73, Happy New Year. Thanks for hunting me and POTA on. Wow, that was a mess. Let's try that one again. QRZ, Kilo Bravo 5, Uniform Tango Yankee.
Hey, Dave. It's Dave. Got you a 5'9" here at my park 3013.
Hey, Dave, it wasn't until you said, hey, Dave, that your call sign clicked. Hey, I got you 5'9" up here to US 7187, dude.
Yeah, 5'9" down here as well at Galveston Island. Have fun with your activation.
Hey, QSL, what park you guys at down there?
Galveston Island State Park.
QSL. Alrighty, sir. Thanks for being out there. And you might actually see a video on this if the video comes out properly.
All right.
All right, Dave. 73. Happy New Year, my friend. And probably catch you on the stream tonight if you're going to join. All right, everybody. Thanks for stopping by watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Had a blast out there with that hex antenna set up in NVIS configuration. It definitely worked. 44 contacts. Had a blast out there. You ever down in the southwest Missouri and down around Table Rock, definitely go check out Table Rock State Park for a POTA activation. All right, everybody, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave me comments down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. 73, all. I am Dave, KE6GE, the Hillbilly Ham. And we're just out here having fun in 2026.